Hi everybody, welcome to the Rios homestead. Just want to do a quick video of a different way you can use a fire pit if you're turning it into a cowboy grill. There is where we turned it into a cowboy grill, and this was what used to be inside. I'm going to repurpose it and make it into a dust bath for my birds. I just took out most of the big chunks of the unburnt wood and put a few shovelfuls of dirt into it, mixed it around, and now I'm going to add food grade diatomaceous earth. I will mix it up and put it either inside their exterior pen or inside the chicken coop. Haven't decided yet, but that is one way to repurpose a bottom half of a metal drum that used to be part of the fire pit, which we opened on one end so it'd be more like a cowboy grill, and turned it into this with the diatomaceous earth. And there's Charlie eating pinyons.